If Roblox won't open, in this video I will walk you through step-by-step solutions to get Roblox working again. Start simple. Restart your phone or the computer to clear any temporary glitches. Once it's back on, try launching Roblox again. Next, make sure you have stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed or try another network. Next up, clear cache for the Roblox app. So navigate to the option General, click on the option Storage. From the list of apps, find Roblox and launch it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again, then click on Reinstall app. Next, update your iOS as well, so head back and click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. Likewise, check the storage on your device. For that, launch your settings and navigate to the option General. Click on the option Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Lack of storage might also cause these kind of issues. Next up, check for the server status. So launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website down detector. Now search for Roblox. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Roblox from your device and reinstall it. So press and hold on the Roblox app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Roblox not opening on your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.